Skill-based Spades apps can connect card gameplay with real cash tournaments, but the payout rules, entry fees, and availability depend heavily on the app and your location. By the end, you'll know which 5 Spades platforms are worth checking in 2026, and what separates real money competition from apps that only use virtual coins. Number 5. Spades Plus and Mate. Spades Plus is a competitive Spades app from Zynga that uses tournaments, leagues, and virtual currency. It belongs on this list because it gives you the competitive Spades experience, but you should not confuse its virtual chips with withdrawable cash. Number 4. Spades Royale. Spades Royale offers multiplayer Spades with competitive game modes and rewards. The key thing to check before playing is whether the rewards available in your version of the app are actual cash or in-game currency. Number 3. Spades by Skills. Skills provides a platform for competitive mobile games, where eligible titles can offer cash prize tournaments. If Spades is available through the Skills platform in your location, check the individual tournament rules before entering, because real money competitions can involve entry fees. Number 2. World Winner. World Winner is designed around skill game tournaments and cash prizes. Its catalog and availability can change, so check whether a Spades title is currently offered to players in your location before creating a deposit. Number 1. Real Money, Spades tournaments on Skills. Skills takes the top spot because its model is specifically built around competitive skill gaming rather than simply awarding virtual coins. Eligible players can enter tournaments, compete against other players, and potentially win cash prizes. There's one detail you should check before depositing anything: location eligibility. Skills states that real prize competitions are not available everywhere, and certain jurisdictions have restrictions. The other issue is entry cost. A tournament that advertises a cash prize does not automatically mean you're playing for free. Check the entry amount, prize structure, withdrawal requirements, and any applicable fees before entering. Also, don't rely on an app title alone. 2 apps can both call themselves Spades, while one offers only virtual chips, and another offers cash competitions. So the ranking is simple. Spades Plus and Spades Royale are better choices if you primarily want casual or competitive gameplay without assuming cash withdrawals. World Winner and Skills are more relevant if your goal is tournament-based competition for prizes. Before you install anything, open the current tournament or wallet section and verify 3 things: whether cash play is available in your location, how much entry costs, and how withdrawals work. Your safest next step is to play the free mode first and understand the rules before risking any money. If this ranking helped, like the video and subscribe for more real money gaming app comparisons.